Viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. First, see the indicator. This sell signal was really awesome. This is the reversal signal as well. Okay, you can close your trade as well here. Okay, but do not need to worry. Here you can see. Here you can see you got the buy signal, and when you got the reversal signal, you had need to close your trade. Accuracy. Go to the strategy tester, and let me show you the results. 84%. Okay, that is really awesome. Okay, let me show you some more trade here. Okay, this is buy trade. Okay, it's not so much profitable. Okay, and in the next trade you can see really blowing. Okay, in the gold, let me show you results in the gold. Gold. This is gold, and I do not never edit my video as it is. I will upload, and this is my routine. Okay, I will upload the video as it is. I will not upload edit video. Okay, I always tried to upload the video as it is. I never edit my any video. Okay, here you can see the sell signal and the sell signal confirm, and you can see buy signal and the buy line form. Go to the buy trade. Okay, here you got sell trade. Open your sell trade, and if you are scalping, then of course you can close your trade here. Okay, and still there are red shade, that means there is a sell trend. Okay, market will definitely will go upside. Okay, here when you will see there is a white shade, the white line. Okay, that means market can go upside, can go, but there is not sure. But here when the candle is upside, so you can close your trade, or you can close your trade when you got the reversal signal as well. Okay, like buy trade, close your trade, sell trade, and close your trade as well. Here you can see. Okay, there is a reversal signals. Okay, as well. Okay, market going strongly downside here, you can see, but the signal is very really awesome. Let me show you some more signals. You can see the accuracy. If the you will see the accuracy is 80%. Okay, 59 trades successful out of 73. Okay, that actually very good one. Okay, if you will see the profit factor is 17%. Okay, so that actually a very good one. Maximum equity drawdown is just 0.51%. Okay, here you go. Here you can see that is really awesome. Okay, the buy signal gave a very small profit, and then the short signal gave amazing really good one. Okay, if you want to see the results in the 1 minute time frame, let me show you results in the 1 minute time frame. In the 1 minute time frame, you can see accuracy win rate is 64%. That actually good one, not a bad at all. Okay, and the drawdown is very small. Okay, and the profit factor is 8.095. That is actually good one, not a bad. Okay, because in the 1 minute, of course, you have to do scalping. Okay, and the scalping, let me show you. Short signal, red line form, so open your sell position. Scalping, book small profit, close your trade. Okay, buy trade, green line form, open your buy position and close the trade here. Sell position, red line form, open your sell position and close the trade at the reversal signal is there. Okay, so you can close your trade at this point, or you can close your point at this point. Buy trade. Okay, the buy signal, scalping, short, very small profit, and the sell signal is really awesome. Okay, so this is the best strategy ever and ever. You cannot get this type of strategy. Okay, never. Okay, it's my hard work to make this best indicator and the best strategy. Okay, here you go, you can see. Okay, let's see the results in some other pair like Euro USD. In the King Cobra 1 minute time frame, it is showing just 33% accuracy. That actually bad one. Okay, you can consider it, but according to the, if you are doing scalping, then Of course, in the Euro USD 1 minute time frame is not good. In the Euro USD, of course, you have need to use at least 5 minute time frame. Okay, this is the most recent buy signal here, and the buy signal is confirmed because here you can see the green line form after getting the buy signal, the green line form. So this is your buy trade. Okay, in the 5 minute time strategy tester is showing you results of around 61%. That actually very good. Okay, not a bad. In the GPB USD, let me show you. Okay, most recent buy signal just 2 candles ago, around 65% accuracy. That's good one, not bad. Okay, let me show some previous signal. This signal was really outstanding. Okay, like when you got the signal, the is gave amazing and huge profit. Okay, and you got the buy signal, and buy signal is really awesome. Okay, this short signal is not profitable. Okay, this short signal is not profitable, you can see clearly visible. Okay, and you can see here you go. Yes, this short signal is not also profitable, but the next signal, let me show you one more interesting point. Interesting point is when you got the, let me show you some fake signal or your false signal. Okay, this was the false signal here. You, this was a false signal, and let me show you here. You can see clearly visible. This is the short signal. Okay, red shade form. So this open your sell position, of course, and the green shade form, then of course you have need to close your trade. Do not need to take any risk, a very small loss. But the good point is if you got loss in one trade, then of course the next trade is going to be a very big profit. The next trade is going to be a very big. Okay, here you can see really awesome. Short signal is not profitable. Okay, of course the short signal, when you got the short signal, shade was not red. Okay, this is clearly visible. Shade is a green one. So of course you have to open your buy position. For example, you open buy position, and you got a very small loss as well. Then of course, just like I mentioned, in the next trade is going to be huge, and that's here you can see. Okay, this is really good, and this short signal was really awesome, mind blowing. You can confirm the signal at this point, and then you can see really mind blowing. Okay, it's really awesome. Okay, here you got the buy signal. Shade is still red one, so we have need to wait until the shade change its color to the green one. Then the signal will confirm. Of and if you want that, of course you can follow all the signal, and definitely at the end of the day you will be in a good profit. Okay, so if you need this indicator, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details here. These are my contact details. You need, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram, right one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram. Gmail simple होगा @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Okay, these are my paid indicators, not free of cost, but you will get a voice, and you can get a very profitable strategy, and hopefully you will love this. And more than 4500 plus people are using my indicator, never receive any complaint from any person, and hopefully you will love this as well. Okay, any further query, any question, or if you have any question in your mind, you can contact me. There is no issue. I always try to help the users of my indicators, to help them, and uh, help them to recover their loss into a profitable uh, strategy, and you can say in the profitable. Okay, so hopefully you will love this. Any further query you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.